to the raw episode. So, it's a nice evening today. Sun is set now, and let's discuss today some learnings from AG sir. I put up some learnings of him in my Notion. Let's check them out today. First, we do not have enough logic. When we do not have enough logic, we often rely on our emotions to make up for it. This is usually because we have not put in effort. Yes, most of the time we lack effort or do not have enough knowledge. Let's read it once again. We do not have enough logic. When we do not have enough logic, we often rely on our emotions. Our emotions, like how you are feeling at that particular time. This is usually because we do not have enough effort in that, and we have not put enough logic into that. Yes, the most of the time we lack. The thing is that effort is a thing that we lack most of the time, and another thing that we lack is knowledge, that we don't have knowledge about that. And something about this stoicism says also, AG sir told in some different aspect, like remember that if any external agents can inflate you, they can deflate you too. अगर कोई जो आपसे कंट्रोल से बाहर की चीज़ अगर आपको उकसा सकती है तो वो आपको गिरा भी सकती है. तो हमें ऐसी चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है, ना कि जो हमारे कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है. आपके इमोशंस, आपका एंगर और आपकी ईगो, ये आपके कंट्रोल में है, आप इनको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. पर दूसरे क्या कह रहे हैं, दूसरों क्या आपके बारे में विचार कर रहे हैं, चर्चा कर रहे हैं, उसको आप नहीं चेंज कर सकते. सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम अपॉन थिंकिंग दैट दे आर सेइंग दैट एंड शी डिड दिस टू मी, ही डिड दिस टू मी. ऑल दिस इज बुलशिट. जस्ट focus on you and the magic will happen. And another thing is, why do we want motivation? And tell that I do not need motivation in the things that I love to do. Like, do you need motivation in eating your food? Do you need motivation in watching your favorite TV show? Do you need motivation in scrolling through Instagram reels? Or you behave like this, oh, I need some motivation to scroll down some reels today. Ever happened like this? No? Right? See, motivation is a creepy thing, and it's like a drug. It's something that lasts for 1 day, 2 day, or 1 week, or a month, or till you are passing an exam. Just that's the thing. You need it again and again to keep you running, and that same goes with drug. Motivation works like a drug at this place. So we must rely on. This is specifically I'm talking about external motivation that we get from others or our YouTube or Instagram, these type of social medias, or which is outside your control things. But the true motivation lies in your inner self. The true motivation lies in your inner self. Like, you have motivation to do the stuff from inside, then you never need to rely on the external agents to work for you. You will already motivated to do the thing for you will be enough motivated to do the thing by yourself and not relying on other external things. And another thing is that, have you ever seen like any great personality told us that watch Sandeep Maheshwari for an hour and then I do the work and I got success? No. APJ Abdul Kalam or Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Sundar Pichai never need this type of motivation, or they never take this motivation to work for their daily basis. Have you ever watched Steve Jobs, Ambani watching motivation videos on YouTube? No. That's creep. And the current aim or ambition for your destiny now at this point is to secure the best rank in your current field. Your aim must be to put your most of the efforts that anything that you are doing currently, and lit it up by putting efforts and energy into it, not spending your time and energy on 100 things at a time. Instead, spend your time and energy on one thing, and you will be much better than that 100 things that you are putting your effort and energy. And it's because I already discussed about it. That's this energy and time thing is very temporary. I mean, the energy and time thing is very limited. You have a limited resource of it. It's like coal and petroleum. If you waste it, it's non-renewable. It takes millions of years, but your time and energy does not come back in million years. That's the thing. And I want to add one thing, or in this motivation, talk, that I let me add some more inform about. Let me add some a bit more about this motivation stuff. Like, ask your parents, your mom and dad, do they ever need motivation to work in the kitchen? Do your mom ever need motivation to work in kitchen? Do your dad need motivation to go for the office or his job? No, they don't rely on this motivation thing. They know they have to do it and they just do it. Nothing more crazy. And the thing is, in anything that you are currently working, you just need to be consistent enough to put regular efforts and putting a adequate amount of time in the thing that you are pursuing, and the thing will eventually bloom. Because if you focus on process, doesn't matter what the result came, you will become eventually succeed in, not in that particular field. I am not guaranteeing you that you will succeed in that particular field that you are doing, putting energy and efforts, but you will eventually succeed in any of the stuff, because the thing you are putting effort and time into, that will return. If it's good and right thing, it will return some with some good fruits. Yeah, that's the thing. And that's for the today. Okay, see you next time in another raw episode. Till then,